physical distancing should not stop us from expressing our gratitude this Mother's Day. Oh, it will stop, wait. Despite everything that's going on in the world right now, there are a lot of things that we can do for Mom this Mother's Day. And we're going to share a few of those things with you right now.
Okay. So for the folks who have the technology, do what Dahlia is doing and plan a Zoom family meeting, a Zoom dinner, brunch, lunch, breakfast, whatever time of day you want to do it. Just call up your family members, your siblings, your whomever, and have a big celebration. All of you are eating at separate locations. You call it a virtual dinner or celebration. So that's one great way to share a great memory of Mother's Day.
Yeah, and this one says if you go with Zoom, consider hitting the record button.
Yes, absolutely. You can have it for posterity. And if you're not that into Zoom, guys, you can FaceTime. FaceTime allows you to call multiple family members as well, Skype and WhatsApp. So those are easier ways to connect if you don't have Zoom or you don't know how Zoom works. You can also share a video message.
That's right, and everybody can do that on them phone. Most phones.
Record, send, done.
So do a quick note of appreciation or a happy memory. And again, that like the recorded Zoom, that's something that Mom is going to have.
Posterity.
She just said, sure, look at my son or my daughter sent for me.
Very nice. Order takeout from her favorite restaurant if the restaurant is open and you can get it to her safely with all of the restrictions that we have in place. That's a good thing to do.
If you can't cook, not cook.
Yes.
Order from the restaurant.
Or if you can't cook, try and cook.
I'm not agree.
She may not enjoy it, but she will enjoy the thought that went into it.
I don't want to could your mommy have it order the food if you can't cook. Order the food.
Try to cook if you can't cook. It's a thought that counts.
No, not when it comes to food.
Okay, here's what you do. You try and cook the food, and then just in case, you order it. Right. So if mommy tastes it and mommy say,
what is?
Oh gosh, baby, this is nice. I soon come. I just go into my room for something. Too much money? There's never too much money when it comes to your mother, Marvin.
I'll tell you what some of the mothers will do though. Some of the mothers will know you can't cook. And then when you start, you say, oh, nice.
Of course, what else
you did put pepper on that? Oh, Lord, look at this piece of ginger. We could have dropped it on this, you know. Oh, wow. The rice and peas. You're making rice and peas. Oh, you didn't make the coconut milk.
Did you?
Yeah, they're going to supervise. So give her a break.
Well, what you could do is call her on WhatsApp call and make her talk you through the cooking, and then you can carry it and give her.
Yeah.
Moment. Can make a DIY
Simone's
gift.
Mommy, I'm trying to save you from it.
No, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. I can throw down in the kitchen. Okay? I don't mean just throw down things. I know where you're going, Marvin.
Mrs. Clark, may I try, but it looked like you forgot to eat the cookies.
Ask her yourself. My poor pumpkin wants to cook for me on Mother's Day and she feels bad because she can't cook. But maybe I can cook with her and we can call that a moment. Dahlia is going to be on a show on Sunday. Johnny Daly is having a show on Sunday.
It's a
comedy show. So it's Johnny, Dahlia, Leighton Smith, and
I think it's the three of us.
No,
Curly
man,
Roberts.
One other person.
Curly Roberts is. I think Curly is hosting the show.
Yes.
Yeah, Curly Roberts.
Guys, it's a contribution of $5, and you go on.
JohnnyLiveProductions.com.
JohnnyLiveProductions.com. Right? Jump on, pay $5, and take your mom to this comedy show. I'm sure she will enjoy it. All right? We'll share that information with you again. We have news coming up on the other side of the break. Hold it more and smile to come, but news first.
Not noting.